the Hall of Famer, the Anvil.
The following contest is scheduled for one fall, making his way to the ring from Reno, Nevada, weighing in at 281 pounds, Jim the Anvil Neidhart.
Neidhart has proven to be an elite-level athlete in every arena he's entered.
When you think about powerhouses, you think about the Anvil.
Brute strength has made him a tag team legend.
Just look at the build of Jim the Anvil Neidhart, ready for battle.
That's because when the Anvil lifts weights, he lifts all of them at once.
Oh, get ready! Hulkamania is about to run wild!
And his opponent from Venice Beach, California, weighing in at 303 pounds, the immortal Hogan!
Unstoppable energy in the ring or in interviews.
Yeah, Michael, the Hulkster's always cranked up to 11.
It would be annoying if it wasn't also so impressive. Hogan's recent dominance has been impressive, to say the least.
Very few can actually stand up to his power.
Would you say he runs wild on them?
Michael, got a question for you. What you gonna do when Hulkamania runs wild on you?
Byron, Cole asked you a question and you didn't answer. And we're underway with the Anvil, Jim Neidhart. If there's one person who's ready to throw people around at any time, it's Jim Neidhart. The Anvil's been known to go into gyms dressed in his street clothes, bench over 500 pounds for several reps, and then walk out. He goes for the quick pin attempt. Hold it, reverses it, shoulders down. Beautiful. Might sneak one. He kicks out before the count hits two.
Impressive one count, but still very early.
Able to turn it around into a wrist lock. Oh, right to the shoulder. Collar and elbow. Driving them toward the ropes, looking to keep some control. Punch right in the head.
He is determined to fight out of this predicament.
Inside cradle. Going in this small package.
And Jim the Anvil Neidhart avoids the early pin.
Trying to get this over with pronto.
Oh, the heel hook. Stretch.
Ooh.
Stomp to the leg. Ooh, good defense from him. Jim the Anvil Neidhart turning up the intimidation factor. Anvil got caught with a reversal. This is a situation you want to avoid. Right to the throat. And Neidhart's power being met in kind there. He's getting as hard as he's giving. No need to raise alarm, though. He's got plenty left. Down with the vertical suplex. He's heading to the top turnbuckle from the top. Diving elbow drop. Are you kidding me? I don't care how much you train. You can't prepare for a commercial airliner to come crashing down on you like that. The black and gold brand has been the breeding ground for the top talent of today for quite some time. Tonight just might cement another future legacy, guys. Sliding back into the ring.
Jim the Anvil Neidhart, tremendous power, and nice power slam. Does the Hulkster have strength to recover?
You can't keep the Hulkster down.
Oh no, now possibly setting up for a submission maneuver.
Escape and a takedown.
Hogan delivers a big boot. You can feel Hogan having that extra power in his veins now.
Big power slam.
Oh my gosh, with one hand.
He's absorbing a lot of damage here.
Yes, Hogan really channeled his intensity there, and not a moment too late. Unleashing a barrage on their opponent.
Hulk Hogan with a patented
Drops the leg. Hogan can taste it now. Precision offense into the pin. This could be it.
It's over. Hulk Hogan is your winner.
Here is your winner, the Hogan.
The loser in this one, Jim Neidhart.
The Anvil did not think his night would end up like this.